have control. It can create black ice and real slick spots on the road. Right now, we're looking at the potential for some ice and wintry mix. It's going to be late Wednesday night into early Thursday morning. It's going to be a brief period where we could get that little glaze of ice before it changes over into rain. So best bet is going to be folks who are working third shift. It's going to be ending just as the morning commute starts. Just as folks are getting out on the road, we're going to see that transition. So hopefully with the plows and being extra careful, it's not too dicey of a commute, but that's why we're giving you that first alert now. Thursday morning could be a little slick in some spots. We're going to break it down hour by hour coming up. Breaking it down for you, though, over today into tomorrow. Today, it's going to be mostly cloudy. Temperatures are going to be cold. They're going to be sitting right around that freezing mark as we head through the afternoon today. And overall, we'll start to bring back that chance for moisture, wintry mix late tomorrow night. Some of that cloud cover is breaking up. Shannon was probably right. There could be a couple of peaks of sunshine out there off to the west here out towards our Oberlin camera. It'll be mostly cloudy today, though. A little blustery, too. Winds are going to be out of the northwest, so those temperatures in the 30s. Going to be feeling a little bit chillier, around 10 to 15 miles an hour. And again, could see a few peaks of sun out to the west as we head towards the afternoon. Across the board, though, most of us are going to be sitting just a couple degrees below freezing, so big difference from the 50s yesterday. But we're going to talk about the ice timeline and when we could see some of the diciest conditions on the roads coming up. That's why we want to give you that first alert, because your morning drive Thursday could be slick in some spots, and that's why we issue first alert weather day. So let's break it down. Tomorrow evening, cloudy. Won't have too much sunshine out there. Then overnight, really midnight through 4 o'clock, that'll be our best bet for seeing that little glaze of ice before it changes over into rain. And it'll end from west to east. So again, we'll get that brief period, and that's when things could be slick, because the ground's going to be cold enough. It's going to be plenty cold today. First alert Doppler radar. I've got the cloud cover turned on to show you. We're seeing some clearing out to the west, out towards Menor, Beulah. You guys are probably like, where is that sunshine that we just saw on the camera? It's slowly coming out, so we'll see a few breaks here and there. I want to show you something cool, though. At least I think it's cool. See this dark blue line? That's the cold front that came through. So that's what whisked through and brought some northern winds with it, which is bringing that cooler air around today compared to where we were at yesterday. So I'm going to fast forward in time all the way to 6 o'clock this evening on First Alert Future View. We are dry. We are cold overnight. We'll have some clouds around. Wake up temperatures tomorrow morning will be in the 20s. And then as we head through the afternoon hours, take a look at the temperatures here by 4 o'clock. We're pretty much the same. We're in the 30s. And then here into the evening hours, after midnight, right around midnight, we start to see the pink. This is, again, that potential that we could see some slick spots develop before it changes over into rain. In fact, the newest data coming in has pushed things up even more. So it has the rain changeover happening around 4 a.m. And honestly, that's what we want, because the higher volume of folks getting out on the roads, kids heading to the bus stop, is going to be after 5 o'clock, 6 a.m., 7 a.m. So if we've got that changeover already, it will be less likely to see ice. But that's what we're going to have to watch, that key sweet spot, if you will, to see if we'll have a lot of slick spots out there as that wintry mix changes over into rain. So that's why we've issued the alert days heading into Thursday. We're warmer by Thursday afternoon. Look at that, back in the 40s, and we're dropping right back down into the 20s. We'll be watching another round of wintry mix heading into the weekend. Late Saturday, temperatures are staying warmer again. A lot of ups and downs over the next few days here, and then we're back down into the 30s and 20s as we head into early next week.